What's up, guys? What's up? So, you see what's laid out here? A build. We're going to be building a ImpulseRc Alien 6-inch. It's two top plates here. We're going to double them up to make a thicker top plate. I got a KISS V1 going to be going into it. Got some iFlight Zing motors. Yeah. Got Foxeer Falker camera. TBS Unify Pro Race HV. I got all my little hardware that I need for it. Got some snake skins. Already got the thumb screws pulled through the center plate. And I got the camera brackets here. The K bracket, I'm actually going to print one for now because they didn't throw it in the kits. I don't know if they're just stopped doing that. I think they are stopped sending them. Doc was telling me, Dr. Watson, he's pretty smart with that. Trey knows all about this stuff. So he has created one, so I'm going to go ahead and print and use on it. So, yeah. Let's start getting it together. So as you can see, we went ahead and got all of our arms on, which consist of 2 per arm, and then they have these cone washers that spread out evenly as you crank down on the screw, which hold up very, very well. So there we have it. This is the way it's going to set. That's the front, this is the back. And then we have our motors, which this is going to be pretty much into the red and black theme. We're going to have the snake skin goes on there. So already got the XT braided here, so let's continue to do it. I will share more as we go. So we got our motors mounted on. 2 screws is plenty on this. I've seen a lot of people run 2 screws. Man, that's sexy, that red. So there we have it. We will eat dinner and then get back at it. Alright, so I'm using the KISS V1 flight controller in this guy. So I got the Maytech PDB and mounted in there. We got some all metal hardware, just using this nylon nut to make space in between the flight controller and the PDB. We're going to be using the X Quadrant Q25 amp ESCs. As you can see, they're all put together like a 4-in-1 ESC. That's how they're intended to do there. And then the KISS V1. Yeah, ought to be a good setup. So that's where we're at so far. Looking good. Looking good. So let's go ahead and get it finished up. Show you what it looks like. Alright guys, so as you can see, we're moving right along here, getting this thing together. Got the VTX back here. I haven't conformal coated anything. Now this come out of another quad, so this has been conformal coated, as you can see around the edges. I did test motors. I only had to jump 2 wires around here to make this motor turn in the right rotation. Hey guys, so there it is. My first Alien I built. It's a 6-inch. I just got this antenna on there for now. It's just for to try it, maiden it, make sure everything works. And then I'll go through and pull it back apart, conformal coat everything, and yeah. So I'm hoping to see how good it flies. I feel like this will probably be where I start to understand the tuning on KISS, because I'm sure it's going to need some tuning on a 6-inch frame. It came off of a 5-inch. So let's take it out and see how it does. damn, that's not really smooth. Woo hoo. So the PDB will run 5S. So I may eventually be able to put this on 6S. Change out the PDB, of course. But for a 6-inch, I think that's pretty damn good. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Like I said, it's running KISS V1. I know it needs some tuning, as I can see. It definitely needs a touch here or there, but not bad at all. I thought we were gonna have bad oscillations. Motors are running real super cool. 4S pack, so that did get kind of warm, but it's a 6-inch. What can you expect? Video wasn't real bad, so yeah. Thank you guys for watching.